This section covers advanced psychological fixes, identity-based trading, and the mindset transformation every trader must go through. The extended breakdown. Mastering trading psychology for real growth. Fixing the 5 major mistakes is only step 1. To truly evolve into a consistently profitable trader, you must upgrade the identity behind your actions. Most traders try to fix trading problems by forcing discipline, but discipline is not something you force. It is something that grows naturally when your identity changes. Below is the deeper psychology behind becoming a high-level trader. Number 6. Stop thinking like a gambler. Start thinking like a risk manager. Why this matters. Professional traders do not think in terms of winning trades. They think in terms of risk per trade, return over hundreds of trades, probability and edge, monthly and quarterly performance. A gambler thinks, this trade must win. Let me go all in. I hope this works. A trader thinks, this is just one of my next 100 trades. If it loses, it's fine. The risk is controlled. My edge plays out over time. How you can fix this. Adopt the mindset. Every single trade is meaningless. Only the long term matters. When you detach from individual trades, you remove fear, greed, pressure, ego. This allows your strategy to perform without emotional interference. Number 7. Stop searching for the perfect strategy. Work on your execution. The hidden trap. Many traders jump from strategy to strategy because they believe the system is the problem. In reality, a poor trader can destroy a perfect system, and a disciplined trader can make even an average system profitable. Most traders don't need a new strategy. They need consistency, patience, proper risk management, emotional control. Why the mind wants to switch strategies. Your brain wants to escape discomfort. A losing streak makes you doubt your strategy. Instead of improving your execution, you jump into something new. This is called shiny object syndrome. How to fix this? Pick one strategy and master it for at least 100 trades before you judge it. Only change a system when the data proves it is ineffective. You have a large enough sample size, you clearly see the weak point. Mastery comes from repetition, not from running away. Number 8. Understand that patience is a trading skill, not a personality trait. Most traders say, I'm not a patient person. I can't wait for setups. I get bored. Patience is not a natural personality skill. It is a trading skill built through structure. Why you lose patience? You lose patience when you are trying to force a certain income from trading. You rely on trading to solve financial problems. You are emotionally attached to the market. Financial pressure destroys patience. How to build professional-level patience. You build patience by creating rules like only trade during specific times, only take A+ setups, only trade after confirming 2 or 3 conditions, journal every trade, review screenshots of your best setups. When you know exactly what a great setup looks like, you naturally stop chasing bad ones. Number 9, stop trading your ego, start trading the chart. The ego problem. The ego shows up when you want to. Predict the market. Prove you're right. Call tops and bottoms. Hold losing trades because you believe in them. Take unnecessary revenge trades. Your ego hates being wrong, and trading makes you wrong often. The psychological shift. The best traders embrace being wrong. They detach themselves from outcomes and focus on process. A losing trade does not make you a bad trader. Refusing to accept a loss does. How to fix this? Ask yourself before every trade, am I reacting to the chart, or am I reacting to my emotions? If the answer is emotion, you step back. This single habit can save accounts. Number 10. Build a professional trading environment. Your environment shapes your psychology more than you think. If you trade in a noisy room, while angry, while tired, while hungry, while distracted, on your bed, on your phone, you will make emotional mistakes. How to build a trader's environment. Create a space that supports a calm mind, a clean desk, a stable internet connection, a trading journal open, no distractions, a fixed schedule, a plan on paper or on your screen. When your environment is controlled, your psychology becomes controlled. Master the art of doing nothing. The market rewards those who wait. Weak traders want to always be in a trade. Strong traders know that. No trade is better than a bad trade. Doing nothing is one of the most powerful skills in trading. Why traders hate doing nothing. Your brain is addicted to activity. You think, if I'm not trading, I'm not making progress. What if I miss a move? I need to make something happen. But in trading, doing nothing is progress. How to practice it. Set rules. Only 1 to 3 trades per day. Only enter when all your conditions match. No trading during emotional episodes. No trading outside your session. Success comes from waiting, not from doing. Number 12. Your identity must become a patient, disciplined, strategic trader. Every action you take comes from your identity. If your identity is impulsive, emotional, greedy, fearful, desperate, you will trade that way. But when your identity becomes calm, patient, logical, strategic, disciplined, your trades automatically improve. Why identity matters. Identity controls habits. Habits control decisions. Decisions control results. Therefore, fix your identity, fix your trading. How to upgrade your identity. Start telling yourself, I am a disciplined trader. I wait for high probability setups. I am patient. I trade with a plan. I respect risk. Repeat these daily, because your brain believes what you feed it. The Professional Trader's Mindset Summary. To stop making the 5 major trading mistakes and fix your psychology permanently. You must adopt these core beliefs. Trading is a game of probabilities. Losses are normal and acceptable. Discipline beats intelligence. Patience pays more than excitement. Small, consistent growth beats big, emotional